beauties, it is me, Pardon My Beauty here, and I'm back at you all with another video. Oh yeah. So this video is going to be all of the tea and dirts on a pretty well-known company called Unice Hair. This hair is from AliExpress, you all. No, I'm not sponsored by them or anything, so I'm going to give you all my true opinion on this. I purchased this hair with my own money, my own coins, girl. So, let's just hop right into the hair. I got a closure with 3 bundles. My closure is an inch 16. And I have an 18, 20, and a 22 inch bundle in my hair. The hair came pretty quick. I got the hair within 2 to 3 days, which is usually quick because usually AliExpress hair, it takes about 5 to 7 days to get here. But I got my hair within 2 to 3 days, so that is amazing. Another thing about the hair, the packaging was very, very, very nice. Like, of course, all of the hair came in this traditional wrapping like this. Most hair companies use this to give you their bundles, so that's typical. Each bundle came with a care card and a logo card, and all of that came inside of this bag. And this bag came inside your typical DHL wrapper. They used to do boxes, but I'm guessing they're switching the boxes out for these. So I guess that's the new thing that's going on here. Let's get to this hair. So this hair I really did like, for the most part. Like I said, I have a 16-inch closure, 18, 20, 22-inch bundles. I do have a sew in. This hair is sewn in, and I've had it in for about a month and a half at the most. I'm not too sure. This hair is installed by Hairglamchic. Her name is Michelle. I'll leave her information down below. This is her Instagram page. We can zoom in right there. Yeah, this is her Instagram page, and she has pretty much all of her styles on her page. So like I said, I'll leave all of her information down below. So if you're in the Chicagoland area, you hook up my girl Michelle. She got all the hookups for you. She'll get you right together. So back to this hair. I did dye it. I'm not a big color girl, so I put a little blue in it. I don't know if you can see it. It's just a light tint of navy blue. I really didn't use anything. I didn't want anything too bright or anything, so I liked it. The hair did bleach very quickly, very quickly. It was like within like 10 to 20 minutes, it was blonde. So that was good. It didn't do a lot of shedding when I was dyeing it and bleaching it, so that's also great. So I'm like, okay, this is good hair. This hair holds a curl like a dream. I don't have to worry about my curls. I put my curls in, they instantly fall. No, this hair holds a curl. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned, this is body wave hair as well. But back to that, it holds a curl great. Like, these curls, if I don't touch them and play with them and pull them out, they'll last for 2-3 days. Just put a bonnet on and that's it. I typically put a bonnet on my head when I go to sleep. So I just take my bonnet off, rub it out, brush it out, and it's fine. What else did I like about this hair? It is extremely soft. The hair, when I first got the hair, was so soft. Like, it was amazingly soft. Like, great hair. But there's always something wrong with the hair. It's just never 100% right. So, like I said, I've had this hair in for about a month and a half. I'll say going on the end of my 3rd month, the hair started feeling funny. I noticed that I started to get a lot of shedding. Well, I started to get tangling first. Now, for the first 3 weeks, I didn't get any shedding, any tangling, nothing. But towards the end of that 3rd week, coming on to my 4th week, so a month with the hair, I started to get a lot of tangling. Then after that, the shedding came. And when I say shedding, I mean shedding like big gobs full, like hands full of hair. And I'm like, okay, what's going on? Now, I've purchased the hair because I've seen a lot of other people reviews on this hair, and they said they've had amazing hair, amazing bundles, but obviously I didn't get a good batch, I guess, or just with time the hair just didn't last. Like, I've had several different companies that I've purchased hair from, and the hair has lasted past a month, like 2-3 months. The hair is still good. I can take it out and reuse it again, but this hair I would not be putting back in my hair. It's just, this hair just isn't it. You know, you go on AliExpress and, I mean, you get what you pay for. This hair was nowhere near expensive at all. I'll say for all of this, I might have paid at the most $130. So you can't complain. Like, it's great hair for that price. But, you know, it's just not one of those companies. You know, you search AliExpress and you look for the diamond in the rough. This isn't one of them. So I don't know if it's just maybe the batch of hair that I've gotten or what. But this hair, we're gonna have to give this like a 3. Yeah, we're gonna give it a 3 out of 5. This hair is getting a 3 out of 5. And only because of the shedding. Like, the shedding is crazy. It doesn't really tangle anymore, but the shedding. And I've even tried washing it, seeing if it'll change. No. Baby, this hair is coming out. The shedding is going to come out. So, that's pretty much it. So I guess if you all like this video, like it down below, comment, and subscribe to me. You know you want to subscribe, just do it. It's free. Just go ahead, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell as well so you can get plenty of notifications. Every single time I upload a vid, you will be getting notified for it. So thank you for watching my video, beauties, and I will see you all in my next one.